Welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. I, Tanu Srivastava, going to explain the topic Paint 3D. Paint 3D is the extended version of MS Paint. It is the inbuilt MS Paint is the inbuilt software with the Windows software. But Paint 3D is the special with the Windows 10. It helps us to create creative graphics and the images. It is the built-in application with the Windows 10. It helps us to create 2D or 3D artwork and the text. We also can create images, graphics and different kinds of creative work. It helps us to create professional and creative projects for fun. We also can add the sound, we can turn the image in different direction, we can change its place. There are many more features to make your project attractive. This is the window of MS Paint 3D. At the top of the window, you can see the toolbar. This toolbar helps us to do the drawing. We can select the object and work with the object. This area, white area, is called the canvas. This white area is called the canvas where we do the drawing, we can paste the stickers and many more. In the right side, you can see the brush. With the help of that, we can do the drawing. It is used for freehand drawing. Brush refers to the pointers, different pointers. At the bottom, you can see the color palettes. Using that, we can insert the shape. We can change the color of the shape. We can change the color of the text as well. The most important feature of Paint 3D is the sticker. Sticker helps us to create professional looking document. It helps us to create realistic texture with the 2D or 3D project. We can resize, change its position, and there are different icons provided in the right side. You can see many icons are provided in the right side. We can add any of the sticker from the list. We can add more than one sticker on the list and we can do the editing. We can change the color of the object, we can change the shape of the object, we can turn it in the different direction. Now we will learn the steps to insert the sticker. To insert the sticker on the canvas, we use the sticker icon on the top menu. When you click on the top menu, 3 icons appears in the left side. There are 3 buttons you can see. In the right side, you can see 3 buttons. First for the stickers, second for the texture. In the texture, you can see different patterns. And the add sticker, that means you can add it, you have to use the internet. So you have to use the first option, sticker. It will give you the list, all the available stickers. You can select any one of them and drag on the canvas that will be inserted to your screen. After that, after the insertion of canvas, we can do many work with the stickers. For that purpose, first we need the selection. How can we select the canvas? How can we select the sticker? To select the sticker, we have to use the select tool. Clicking on this tool, it will give you a box. You drag your mouse pointer on the complete canvas. You will see the dotted box surrounding the canvas. That means your object is selected. In the right side, you can see many features are displaying here. Cut, copy, paste in the edit group. At the bottom, you can see rotate and flip. Rotate will rotate your sticker in different direction, right or left, and in any specified direction. Flip option is used to show the right part in the left side and left part in the right side. Now we will learn the text tool. Text tool of Paint 3D is the extended form of text tool in MS Paint. It helps us to create 2D text as well as the 3D text. When we work with the 2D text, it has only the X and Y coordinate like this, X and Y coordinate. But when we work with the 3D, it helps us to create the 3D text. That means having the coordinate of X, Y and Z. Thank you.